Welcome to Shri Ram Medical College. Today we will explore Master the Art of Emergency Medical Care. Enroll in the Paramedical course at Shri Ram Medical College. When it comes to helping the medical community, there are some who have the necessary training but would rather not provide direct patient care. Fortunately, there is a wide range of jobs in the healthcare industry for those with these skills, and all of them pay well and provide opportunities for professional growth. You can better prepare yourself for a potential career decision by researching the many medical and health-related occupations accessible. A physiotherapist plays a critical role in assisting those who have suffered a serious injury or are recovering from surgery. A physiotherapist will initially assess the patient's physical condition by asking questions and performing tests to measure the patient's range of motion, strength, and other pertinent abilities. Exercises, stretches, pieces of equipment, and manual manipulation are just some of the methods that these experts might use into a patient's personalized treatment plan. Echocardiograms are routinely used by cardiologists as a diagnostic technique. Echocardiograms are a type of ultrasonography used in medicine to make images of the heart by examining the reflected waves. Often referred to as vascular technicians or cardiovascular technologists, echocardiologists assess heart ultrasound scans for the presence of blood clots, blood flow, and anatomical problems. A medical technologist conducts tests on a wide variety of biological materials. As a result, it is up to them to conduct objective analyses of samples and share their findings with physicians. The medical laboratory is where experts conduct in-depth analyses of patient samples using high-tech instruments including microscopes. Between 60 and 70% of all choices about a patient's diagnosis, treatment, hospital admission, and discharge are estimated to be informed by the tests performed by medical laboratory scientists. Programs in medical laboratory science span a wide range of topics, including microbiology, chemistry, hematology, immunology, transfusion medicine, toxicology, and molecular diagnostics. Radiologic technicians, also called radiographers, take the X-ray images required in medical diagnosis. These images can be used in a variety of ways, from initial diagnosis to follow-up checks. Radiologic technologists can reduce patients' radiation exposure by positioning them correctly, operating the equipment expertly, and applying their knowledge. A radiologist can choose between an inpatient hospital setting or a private practice. They could work regular business hours, non-standard hours, or on-call shifts. A radiographer's place of work can range from an operating room or emergency room to a procedural suite or a specialist imaging department, depending on their education and experience. Many medical surgeries require an operation theatre technicians. They prepare and maintain operating rooms and equipment and assist surgeons and anesthesiologists during surgeries. Surgical and other operative procedures rely on a number of interconnected systems, the intricacies of which must be understood by a technical specialist in the operating room. Optometry technicians have several different responsibilities depending on their area of expertise. Optometry technicians work under the supervision of optometrists, assisting them with administrative duties and patient eye exams. To be successful as an optometric technician, you will need to have excellent interpersonal and communication skills. You need an exacting attention to detail and a real interest in the field of eyeglasses service. Focus on identifying, managing, and preventing conditions affecting the eyes and visual system. cataracts, macular degeneration, and the ocular symptoms of systemic diseases like diabetes and hypertension are only some of the ailments that optometric technologists diagnose. Prescriptions for eye medicines to treat a wide variety of ailments are a regular service provided by optometry technicians. Corrective eyewear, such as glasses and contacts, as well as protective eyewear and other equipment for people with vision problems, are the purview of optometry technologists. When someone has trouble seeing or needs help adjusting to new surroundings, an optometry professional can be of great assistance. Optometry technicians work with other doctors and nurses to give patients the best possible care. Having access to a qualified optometry technician is crucial to the continued visual and general health of patients. By getting patients involved in their own healthcare, patient care management helps shape new models of care that deliver the most effective therapeutic methods. Constant care is needed for long-term conditions like diabetes, hypertension, cardiovascular disease, and others. Patient care management may help healthcare providers deal with such situations by employing a well-planned approach and making use of available local resources. The hospital management must guarantee round-the-clock availability of care and continuity of treatment for all patients. Every hospital and clinic strives to provide outstanding care for their patients, but doing so can be difficult without well-established policies and procedures. There are no effective treatments for patients with moderate to severe renal disease other than dialysis or kidney transplantation. Dialysis technicians keep a careful eye on the dialysis equipment to make sure it's working properly. Dialysis technicians' responsibilities include not only preparing patients for and monitoring dialysis therapy, but also recording the outcomes of each session. You'll learn anatomy and physiology, dialysis machine operation, prescription reading, and hygiene. They can intern in top hospitals. Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in paramedical courses include Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Operation Theatre Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Medical Laboratory Technology, Bachelor of Vocation in Physiotherapy, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Radiology and Medical Imaging Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Optometry and Ophthalmic Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Cardiac Care Technology, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Patient Care Management, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Hospital Management, Bachelor of Vocation or Master of Vocation in Dialysis Technology. Graduates of Bachelor of Vocation programs would thus be in a position to contribute meaningfully to the growth of India's economy by securing suitable employment and developing relevant expertise. The credit framework that NSQF has designed is beautiful since it has various entrance points and is already set up to encourage lateral and vertical mobility. The goal is to make it easier for students to move from one level of education to the next, specifically between certificate to diploma and from diploma to degree. Bachelor of Vocation degree, B.VoC, in paramedical courses eligibility criteria. 12th class from any recognized board. Students, arts/commerce/science, of any age can apply. A minimum score of 50% in the 12th class. Students awaiting final examination results may also apply. There are a variety of motivating aspects that make working in healthcare an appealing profession. All doctors and nurses, regardless of specialty, spend their days caring for patients. Those who accept careers in the healthcare sector are rewarded generously monetarily and through opportunities for advancement. It's a frequent misconception that doctors must spend at least 5 years in medical school before entering the workforce. If you have a high school diploma or less, a career in the healthcare industry may be a good option for you. Join ShriRam Medical College's Bachelor of Vocation and Master of Vocations in various paramedical domain and take the first step toward a successful career in hospitals. We are here to assist you in launching your medical career. Call us at 9968193009 for more information about our program or to submit an application right away. ShriRam Medical College, nurturing next generation of healthcare leaders and offers all paramedical, pharmacy, nursing and yoga sciences courses at competitive fee and helps in 100% placement assistance. Admission open. For more information, please visit our website shriramcollege.com and like, share, subscribe our YouTube channel ShriRam Medical College. Good luck, goodbye.